Your Excellency, Your Excellency, the Governor of our state, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our state, the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly. Your Excellency, please allow me to adopt the established, professionally put protocols. Emo hanotu nkalaman mekau. Emohwa anmekau. Emohwa anmekau. Ele awabru noma anmekau. Your Excellency, we are standing on Emohwa ground. This is Emohwa Kingdom. Anything that happens here is happening in Emohwa land. And the Emohwa people are in charge. Your Excellency, I have come to present to you formally the kola that is usually the tradition of our people. Your Excellency, today we go beyond that. We go beyond that because Emohwa people are happy with you. Please don't hold my speak with this. I beg, give me grass. I beg. We're gonna give me a chance. I beg you. I don't want this kind of thing. We're gonna remove my Lego. I'm Kalamanu Mekau. Your Excellency, I know you are in a hurry every day. Today, give us 2 minutes. Give Emohwa people 2 minutes. We must say something. What we are going to say, principally, is to say thank you. Every other thing will hinge on us saying thank you. Your Excellency, you've done too many things for this community. Too many things. Too numerous to be counted. You use the best company in Nigeria to enter Emohwa in 2015. Chief Awuse Road, now called Palace Road. JP was the company you used. Out of selfishness, I wanted you to give to me to construct so that I can make profit. You called me, you said, no, don't do it. Leave it. Let me give it to a professional company that will give you a name. And I listened to you in 2015. That road stands the best road in Emohwa local government. Your Excellency, let me tell you, if I begin to name them one by one, you'll be surprised the things the Lord has done for us. I can't name them all. I cannot name them all. But you see this project you took, I don't care which other local government is present here. We are standing on Emohwa land. And as the paramount ruler of Emohwa, as Nemwele Emohwa, Olo the Fourth, I want to tell you, you have touched us where we are most grateful. You see this road? From the junction to Teme Junction, you have reenacted the emergence of a new era in the area. This kingdom has been on for over 450 years. Emohua kingdom has been on. My great-great-great-great-grandfather, Olo, has been here for over 450 years. He has never seen a thing like this. You have opened a kernel of what will happen tomorrow. Emohua people say, I should tell you thank you. I can speak politics. I can speak native. I can speak tradition. But today, Emohua people say, I should tell you. They are going to adopt you as one of them. Kalamanu Mekau. And Mekau. Obi Ahanu Karo. Amina Kani. Amina Kani. Those who can hear, I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. This is Emohua language. I'm standing on the footprint of Emohua and I must speak Emohua so that the land will bless it. Amina Kani. Nyanhobele jina meruta. Jina guro hukpem. Elemoha no jina ego. We love you. All those who are castigating you are bastards. They are bastards. They never want to know the truth. How can you be saved when you don't want to hear the truth? You stand for the truth. Emohua kingdom is a kingdom of truth. Kalamanu Mekau. And Mekau. Ohejoku and Mekau. Ohejoku and Mekau. Omena Kanojina. I should tell you that Wokushi Ejiwa or Wokushi Jineji. Anyam Zineji, Anyam Zinhebere. Galamanu Mekau. Leji. Emeka, what is Eji? What is Eji? Kushi name with Rishi. Kushi Eji. Yeah, Eji. Obi okay, Jibu Hakuruba Hata. Where Eji be 10 and Mahunaji. Oh, you can't go to the Jakun Yarkin. Later, what Haku Yarue. Kalamanu Mekau. And Mekau. Oh, Mena Kanujina. Elemoha Kamena Kanujina. You are a true son of Emohua land in all ramifications. You are a son from the royal family of Overdone in Roma Precom. You are from the royal family of Overdone. I know it. Whether anybody tell me, I know it. You told me. You told me. And you are a royalty. Emohua is made up of 8 villages. Even na Akpab. Akpab is an Emohua. So many I call. Emohua is made of 8 villages. Rumolo. Rumohia. Isiodu. Elibrada. Odoha. Mbitanwo. Rumakunde. And Weto. Complete here, Elo, leaders. Omna Kanujena. For the last 450 years or thereabout of this kingdom, we have never adopted anybody into Emohua. We have never adopted anybody into Emohua. In Equatorial land is the highest. Kalaman Mekau, Elemwehe, and Mekau, Elemudo, and Mekau. We have never done so. Nebian Nemoha. You are the first. Emoha Kamina Kanujina. Nubenasanya Tejina Repoha. On Benasanya Tejina Repoha. It has never happened. And I thank God in 2023, somebody that is Mr. Nobody 2 years ago. I was Mr. Nobody 2 years ago, not knowing that God, by his destiny, is preparing something. And he prepared it, and it happened. And you, as the governor, saw it good. And you said, remain there. Kalaman make out. And make out. By that authority of my great-great-great-grandfather. Olo munu rumu eto. Olo munu bo. Rumu mini. Rumu cheya. And rumu ikele. Muhammad bobo ele kechenya. That power, I will give you some today. He was a warrior. I hear he was cannibalistic. It doesn't matter. If you give me two, I go chop. Nkaleman make out. Ngen dairi ya hisiri. Ngen wejiri panda ya huze akpai. Obiaya. Kaleman make out. Oh mena kani. We say she no hemo wa. Asanya terewa now. Then, very soon, we will agree with you the formal date of the ceremony. It has never happened in the history of Emohwa. It has never happened. And it will not happen yet again now, after we finish with you. Because that title, you keep it for life. You keep it for life. We are honoring you because we are happy for all you have done for us. You've done too much. Name your blessing one by one. You know what God has done for you. You have overdone. We will follow you. Nepa worepa. We are repa. Nanenwe lodo ha. Nenwe lodo ha. We are here. Obada. Nenwe li ako. Nenwe li brother. Ndaya. Okay, 3 of you. Nenwe lodo ha. Nenwe li brother. And Nerishi elo olo. Yakbaha. I'm their grandmaster. I'm the grandmaster. You can't fight me because this is given to me by God Almighty and Ellen Diche. And I will give you part of my authority today. I will give you some. You deserve to have some. You deserve to have some. You've done everything we need. Nobody should beg anything here. Nobody should beg anything from government. We have had more than we should have. By the same government, more things will come under new administration. I am inside. I will take my own and give to my people. That's why I'm following you, to give to my people something. They asked me to follow you day and night. They say those who are criticizing me are idiots. Paramount ruler that is hungry. Is that the paramount ruler? Paramount ruler, you are hungry, you can't eat. Paramount ruler. Are you cockroach? If you are cockroach, you are cockroach. Me, I'm not cockroach. I'm the human being. I follow where it matters. Follow those who know road, and they will show you road. Kalaman make out. And make out. And make out. And make out. Your Excellency, you will please, by our tradition, come out. Remove your cap. I will remove my shoe to relate. This is a ceremony that is done rarely. It's done very rarely. And I will do it because the authority has been given to me. I consulted my elders. I consulted my Ndiche. I consulted God. They said I should give it to you. That's why my foot is on the ground. Kenya will bear me witness. Elemoha will bear me witness. You asked me to go ahead and do it today, and I'm going to do it according to your directives. Your Excellency, with due permission from you, you will come out, and you can stand anywhere, but my own foot will be on the ground, on naked ground, and I will do what I'm asked to do, and I will complete it. When you are ready, you come, we'll give you everything complete. Because you are now going to be no hemohwa. Kalaman make out. And make out. And make out. Please, can we excuse you? You can be on red carpet. Pagun should not. Pagun. Mese guya obuna akam. Ngwa pagun. Pagoka. And make out. And make out. And come up put it. 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 Yamwe no. Elendi chibake bemo. And say Hanaka, Milling Panaka. She can't get her back. Or she came with a kidney. Make us easy. Make us easy. Yeah, on what? Hemana Bugubotu, Mangaebo. Mangaebo. No, name we had hanging. Obia. Taukeni, where you want to maba the hay. Man name wrong, man name Zubudu. Where Yama Hibukini, Ukeni. Ozule. Elemu man make out. Elemu man make out. Nemwele odo wabuyukwe. Leya. Omego jete. Omego hunu na he. Be mo hwa meji hunu. Hunu George was clean. But of new. On meaning has it. On meaning has it. Obi a good George. What do you mean? Juta. Now, finally, from today, even no hemwa. Ngi me good ceremony. I mean, Umineleni Ayego. Or Karela Kari, but I'm not to nothing. Man make out and make out. Yes, unless you can go back to your seat. Conclude. Your Excellency, I know that other AGAs will want to perform. All I have done here has covered everybody. Every other thing now is ancillary. It's ancillary. And I want to say, and a big thank you to Julius Beja, the world-class company that made them all proud. You are the one doing the whole job. Do it well. That's why we continue to recommend you. When the time comes during the ceremony, we are going to recognize Julius Beja and we are going to give you an award because you've done very well. On that note, Your Excellency, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for honoring us. Thank you for numerous projects Emoha local government. And thank you for being a good Emoha man. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to present Kola North on behalf of the Kalabari Kingdom, may I invite the Kalabari Council of Chiefs led by the Amanabo of Abonima.